The gear ratio calculator speed. Torque teeth determines gear ratios and calculates output speed and torque based on the number of teeth in your gear system. Let's look at the input fields. First, we have driver gear teeth N1, where you enter the number of teeth on your input gear. Next is driven gear teeth N2 for the number of teeth on your output gear. The calculator also includes two optional fields, input speed in RPM and input torque in nmr. Simply enter your values and click Calculate Gear Ratio. Here's a worked example. I'll enter 10 for driver gear teeth N1, 10 for driven gear teeth N2, 10 for input speed, and 10 for input torque. After clicking Calculate, we get 3 results. The gear ratio is 1000 to 1, which makes sense since both gears have equal teeth. The output speed is 10 RPM, matching our input speed because the gear ratio is 1 to 1. The output torque is 950 Nm, showing a slight reduction from our 10 Nm input due to mechanical efficiency losses. This calculator streamlines your gear design calculations for any mechanical system. Find the link in the description below.